Okay, so first of all, the plug is way too far away from the TV. I can't have that.
Nigga, you can't have what?
Here is the plug. Way too far from the TV, genius.
Oh.
So Adrian called and asked could I move her electrical outlet. Right about here somewhere. And you know, me being the electrical technician that I am, I said that's no problem.
I do this shit. This what I do, bro. This what I do.
It must have been that flyer on Facebook.
Damn right, bro. Facebook the plug.
Smack's electrical installations.
SmaccTV electrical installation.
SmaccTV electrical installations. Yeah, I heard about that. SmaccTV electrical installations. Yeah.
Smack's electrical
Yeah, man.
installations.
Smack out here, man, doing this
Electrical
thing.
installations.
SmaccTV electrical installations, man. The new tech for the streets.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Smack Atkins. I'm actually an electrician. I'm also arts and crafts specialist. And I also do, quite a few things as far as side work and other work. This next scene was a good friend of mine, Adrian. Shout out to Adrian. She allowed me to move her electrical outlet because it was too far from the actual TV where she wanted the TV mounted. This is just a little small footage, creative way to, explain as well as promote, my electrical abilities and my installation services. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Go. So right now, we finna move the whole plug just to the left a little bit so we can line the TV up. That plug is gonna come here.
Looking back, it ain't no reason why we ain't get caught. Mission, we was tripping. Me and baby both the fats, and little killer down the kitchen. Police in the front, pistols in the court. When it hit the fan, you get the raw. Now the niggas know I had it right.
Like butter, baby.
They don't know about the sleep, that's not feet, babe. Speaking my name, I know they despise me for the status I've obtained in the places I fly free.
Here we go. Saw new power box. I got the line running through the wall. Yes, sir.
Ball game. SmaccTV electrical installations.
SmaccTV electrical installations.
SmaccTV electrical installations. Yeah, I heard about that.
Got power. I installed that TV too. So remember what we were trying to do earlier in this concept?
See? Told you I could do it. Outlet shift.
Yes, sir.
SmaccTV electrical installations. Yeah, I heard about that.
Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry about that. Let me know what you think. Any electrical work y'all need, let me know. I'm the man for the job. Let's get it. One more other thing I wanted to say. Follow me on Facebook, Josh Smack Atkins. Add me on Instagram, Smack_man. That's Smack with 2 C's. SMACC. Oh, and also, all my quotes are free. Call me. Call me first before you call and spend all that money. Holla at your boy. Thank you a lot. Appreciate it.
Bullshit. Work. Get off your ass and work. My pocket full of racks. Your pocket full of dirt, cause you don't work. Get off your ass and work. We hustle with the work. Put that bitch to work. You gotta work. Bullshit. Work. Get off your ass and work. My pocket full of racks. Your pocket full of dirt, cause you don't work. Get off your ass and work. We hustle with